Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is mapping with Tableau. Tableau is a very powerful software to create dashboards and charts and so on. So, very good to use. And what is mapping? We map when we have a spatial question. We need to use a map to understand the trends or patterns in your data. For instance, which state or country provides the greatest revenue for our company? Where are the regions in the country with the largest population? Where are people checking out and returning bike from their local bike share program? And so on. So first of all, what do we need? We need a database. So Tableau is not a database. So we don't storage data in Tableau. Tableau capture your data from a place. So here our place will be our Excel. And then what do we have? We have here. Let me zoom in. So let's consider that our country, we have revenue, and this number is the actual population. By the way, I only change it to revenue to make it more accounting and finance. In 4 different countries, 2 in South America and 2 in North America. So Argentina, Brazil, Canada, and US. And these are our numbers per state. So we can do it by state as well. We can map considering country, states, cities, and in some countries, zip codes. So we only need to make sure that these names are correct. Okay, so let's close this and let's open Tableau. So, okay, how do we do that? First of all, where are our numbers? So Microsoft Excel, mapping with Tableau. These are our numbers. So, okay, how do we do that? So, first of all, how do we want to summarize it? By country or by state? So let's try by state first. And here is quite good to know if our database is right or wrong, if we have no mistakes. So let's see if we have mistakes on countries. Okay, no mistake message here. We are good on countries. What about states? Okay, let's move country away. No problem. Oh, here. So let's go back. I was bothering myself. So here, countries, no issues. What about states? Let's move country away. So, okay, first of all, one unknown, one problem here. Let's type it, edit locations. Whoa, Floridas. There is no state called Floridas. It's Florida with no S. 2 options. First, we type the new name here. It will fix this Tableau, but if we want to do anything else with other Tableaus with the same file, we will get this message. So, the easiest way, let's close it. Let's open the Excel again. Let's find our Florida. So here, USF. Oh, come on. USF, Florida. Okay, good. So now we are good to go. So let's go back to Tableau and then Microsoft Excel and sheet 1. So let's move the state here. Oh, and by the way, we first, very good topic, we need to make sure that Tableau knows that country and states are geographic places. How do we do? Data source. Here, country, geographic row, country. That is right. State, geographic row, state. It is right. If it is not, we only need to change here. So, okay, Tableau knows that we are talking about states. So, there are two ways, one that I don't like and the one that I like the most. So, the one that I don't like. But if you want to do that, we want to do by state. So, we just move the state here. What is the problem? A lot of unknowns. When we select only states, Tableau will recognize only the US states. What do we do? Go here, unknown, edit location, country, from field, country. And then recognize all of them, but with no changes. So all of them will be blue or any other color. So that is bad. How do we fix that? Let's move these guys. Okay, first we start with the largest aggregation. That is country. Country. 4 countries, no error. And then states. Now, all of the Brazilian states, they will be orange. Argentinian states, they will be blue. US states, they will be red. Canadian states, they will be red. Okay, we are good now. Here, we have no data, so all of the bullets here will be the same. But we want to know, okay, where do we have our largest revenue? We grab revenue and we move it to the map. Now here, look at the largest revenue. Oh, problem. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Whoa, it is count of revenue. It is counting numbers. We don't want it to count numbers. We want the total of revenue. So we come here and then quick table. Oops. Oh, move it. Revenue USD. Okay, now we are good. I have no idea which revenue. Oh, revenue count here. So I just grabbed the wrong stuff. So here's sum, measure sum. If you want to average, median, count, we can also change it. And if in our Excel file we have more than one revenue per state, they will combine it. So here, large revenue in São Paulo, Brazil, large revenue in California, in Texas. We can also change the type of map. We have this one that is bullets, or this one that is based in colors. The darkest colors, they are the largest numbers. And we can change these colors here. So if we click colors, edit colors, there are tons of templates for colors. Instead of blue, we want to go red. Okay, instead of red, we want to go through red, black, diverging. We can go, so we can choose it. So that is up to us. I don't want map anymore. I am not so sure. I want this graph here. I only click here and it changes. So we can do whatever we want. There are tons of different graphics or tons of different charts that we can work with. So this is the mapping. However, okay, I don't want all of my countries. I want to grab only one. How do I do that? Country filters. Okay, now I want only Brazil and Canada. Apply. I will see only Brazil and Canada. I want another one. Edit filter. Argentina. And we are good. How do I hide it? Show me. And I don't want it to go here. I want to move this filter. filter here, show filter. And now we can move much better here. So we can add, or I can move through states on filter as well. So I can come states here, all of them, and again, show filter. Okay, now I want to remove Rio, I want to remove Ontario, and I want to add USA, and I want to add these states from the USA, and so on. So I can do it as well. So let's remove it. And Argentina, and we are good. Now, I don't like these colors. That's all green. Now, I want to check not by countries. I want to check by, not by states. And then if we go here, Tableau will show us, for instance, where I live in Minnesota, US. So this is our revenue. My home country in Brazil, that is this one here, Paraná, 11 million, and so on. I don't want to see states anymore. I want to see only countries. I grab state here and I remove it. Now I will be checking only the countries, and then show me I can move to this one and that one and so on. I want to see the names of countries here. Country label. I see the names. If I want to add the state again, will not be pretty because it will show the name of countries in all of our states. So that's not so good. So we just come here on this T is label, click here and remove it. And then we can create labels for states, for revenue. For instance, it will show us the numbers. Quite useful. So country and label, and let's remove state. And then, revenue and country. I want to do the opposite. So I come here, revenue, remove revenue, and then add revenue. Again, it will be country and revenue. So we can do a lot of fun stuffs on Tableau. And by the way, guys, both the Excel file and Tableau file, they are free. The link is in our video description. Okay, however, Tableau is not a free software. It is free for students, for professors, and for other people, but not free in general. Okay, but it's worth it, especially if you are a company, it's worth a lot. Okay, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.